Ready to attract new customers with low-cost means? Advantage 9 is attracting new customers. This aspect impacts your business's growth and revenue quickly and visibly. BrightLocal survey found that 77% of consumers read online reviews before choosing a business. Recognition on lists can influence new customers' decisions to engage with the business. Reviews can provide social proof and credibility, as well as valuable feedback for your business. The local consumer review survey indicates that, which can translate to higher conversion rates. For details on the effect of reviews on your sales, check reviewisrevenue.com. Number 10. Targeted audience. This is the best part. People who use business directories are usually in the active buying process, meaning your business is put in front of a highly targeted audience by business directory listings such as bestlistsus.com. This works much better than advertising blindly to people who are not looking for you. Number 11. Boost your brand image. Having your business listed across multiple platforms can help establish your brand image and make your business more recognizable, which in turn leads to more trust, leading to more business. Enhanced credibility follows high visibility. Building trust is crucial, as credibility often drives customer decisions. According to the 2021 Edelman Trust Barometer, 81% of consumers say they need to trust a brand before making a purchase, emphasizing the importance of credibility. Number 12. Competitive advantage. When you utilize listing in business directories before your competitors do, you have a competitive advantage of having your business listed and seen, making it more discoverable. Here are 2 more for the road. Number 13. Updated business information. If your business moves, changes its hours, or makes other changes, business directories offer an additional place to update this information, ensuring it reaches your customers. We have a way for you to update the information in up to 79 directories with a single entry, which saves you an enormous amount of time. Number 14. Increased sales. Ultimately, all these benefits can contribute to an increase in your business's sales. More visibility, trust, and reach can lead to more customers and thus more sales. Overall, creating business listings on these platforms is a natural, organic thing to do for most businesses, and it can help create a natural SEO profile, which will result in higher Google rankings. If you like the idea of high online visibility, increased traffic, improved ranking, easier conversion, and more appointments and sales, request it here to learn more. Thank you, and this is Oscar signing off for Dr. Raj.